Guys, welcome back to my kitchen. This is your girl Ruth, and we are making some fried eggplant tonight. I have already boiled my meat and it's in here now, and I'm gonna let this sit and boil down until it's done. I have my fish over there fried. It's waiting to be put in here whenever I'm ready. So we're going to just give this a nice stir. Let it sit here and cook down. And yeah, let's cover it up. I don't know if you know, like a lot of you may know fried eggplant, but it's cooked differently in different culture. So yes, I decided to cook mine fried today. You can cook it with red oil, or you can cook it with vegetable oil, or whatever oil you prefer. I'm doing fried eggplant with vegetable oil tonight. And as usual, enjoy. I'm going to come back later with the final output. Alright, hope you are doing amazing. It's been a while since I made some cooking videos, but here it is. There you guys have it. Thanks so much for following me. Thanks for supporting my platform. And I will see you guys in another one. Have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.